Welcome back. Daryl Lane, Vagrant Trader here, just to share some more information with regards to this video series that we started a short while ago. Today we're going to explore the heart of Forex trading, which is currency pairs. Okay, so when you think about it, in Forex, we trade currency pairs, but a lot of times people don't really know what that means exactly. So every pair or currency pair consists of two currencies. Okay, the base currency and the quote currency. As we move further into this conversation, you're going to understand that currencies come in different categories, right? Major currencies, minor currencies, exotics, Americas, Europe, Asia, Pacific, Middle East, and Africa. Okay. For the most part, in the US, a lot of people are typically looking at the majors. Major pairs are going to be pairs that consist of only the US dollar. So you're always going to see the US dollar somewhere in that pairing. Okay. Then you have your minor pairs. Minor pairs are going to be a pair that's more associated with a specific country. So it could be the euro, which consists of the euro versus the British pound, euro Australian dollar, euro CAD, so forth and so on. The British pound, which goes from British pound euro, British pound Japanese yen, British pound Australian dollar, British pound Canadian, the Japanese yen, so forth and so on, Australian dollar, the CAD dollar, the Swiss, New Zealand, and so forth and so on. Okay. When we trade, typically for us, we're really looking at either majors and minors. We don't really tap too far into anything else. A lot of times with the exotics, the cost to trade an exotic pair is going to have a lot more money associated than some of these other ones that we discuss here. So, for example, if we look at a major pair and we look at the Euro USD, we can see here that the Euro USD is our pair, okay? And when we break that down, the Euro USD is broken down as the base quote or base currency and then the quote currency. So the base currency is going to be the euro and the quote currency is going to be the US dollar, okay? So as you look at this, we have the notation, which is basically the cost in units of how much it's going to be to buy 1 unit of that base currency. All right, so if we're looking at this one specifically right here, you can see it says euro US dollar 1.09. Okay, so basically it's going to take $1.09 to buy 1 euro, basically. All right, so understanding these currency pairs is literally the foundation for the Forex market and for being able to trade. In the next video, we're going to explore some more of like the market participants and the dynamic. But I want you to always understand you're just one trade away from changing your life. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll continue this series further. Take care.